Hello guys, welcome back with me. Today I'm gonna unbox the new Apple Pencil. Actually it's not new, it's the second generation Apple Pencil, and I'm gonna show you my setup for the iPad Pro.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could.
As you can see right here, Apple gives us a lot of booklet in this Apple Pencil.
I'm fading, I think I'm losing my sight, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter, I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of
Here you can see I'm trying to write with the Apple Pencil, and it's nice to write with it. It's easy and fluid. I also bought a keyboard for the iPad. Why I choose this keyboard is because it's more slimmer and more cheap than the actual Apple keyboard. I also bought this dongle, as it's made by Lentian. Why I choose this dongle because it's more cheap and it's also pretty reliable. Here's my complete setup of my iPad Pro. Since the iPad OS update, I can make my iPad Pro as my daily driver laptop.
I could swear it's been 700